CircleHub Signals transform everyday activity into real social discovery. On CircleHub, discovery isn't driven by algorithms alone. It's powered by human signals. Every text post, photo, video, audio clip, event, and real-world interaction contributes to how users trend, get discovered, build reputation, and connect across the platform. As people share their daily thoughts, experiences, habits, events, and lifestyle moments, the community responds using signals like interested, consider, or not for me. These signals personalize recommendations while also shaping profile visibility, engagement rankings, and discovery engine exposure. Interested signals increase popularity and help profiles reach larger audiences across feeds, categories, and communities. Consider signals show curiosity and keep content circulating to related audiences with similar interests. Not for me improves recommendation quality, creating a smarter and more personalized experience for everyone. The more active, authentic, and engaged a user becomes, both online and offline, the stronger their visibility grows throughout CircleHub's ecosystem. Profiles are surfaced organically through engaging posts, trusted interactions, trending activity, shared interests, and real community behavior. Users can also explore profile reviews, collaboration feedback, ratings, and social reputation built through real experiences with other members. To reward consistency and engagement, CircleHub's top 3 ranked profiles each month receive additional monetary rewards based on activity, authenticity, and community impact, on top of normal creator earnings. CircleHub combines discovery, trust, engagement, creator growth, and real-world connection into one intelligent social ecosystem built around authentic human interaction.